welcome back to Wild and Lovely Things. My name is Shanice, and today our project is going to be making little figurines for our advent calendar. I thought it would be a very cute idea just to have a few handmade items to go inside of here. I do have some that are vintage or antique already, as well as like some tchotchke ones. I figured it'd be cool just to have a few handmade that I made myself for the advent calendar. So let's get started on making the figurines. Let me think of a few different ones I want to make, and let's get started.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh. Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Well, all done making the little clay figures and painted them. So I hope you enjoyed, and you'll see a close-up shot here in a second. After that, I'm going to put together the advent calendar with these, as well as show you some of the other figures that I've collected over the last couple years. So let's do it. So I took everything out of each day's box already and put them out, plus the ones I just made are right here as well. So I'm just going to go through and fill each box with the day according to how I feel it should be. Like the last day before Christmas should have Santa Claus in it, so Santa Claus will be in that one. Spoiler alert, sorry. filled them already, and you just saw what I put in them, but hopefully you don't remember, because it's gonna be a surprise every day, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in their corresponding number holes, and then we're all done with our advent calendar this year. So excited. So without further ado, let's put them back together and put it where it's supposed to be. And they are all in. So I'm just gonna put it where it's supposed to be and wait for December 1st to start pulling out my advent calendar presents.